Hello friends, welcome to another question of Ask Java series. In this video, we'll see what is abstraction. Abstraction simply means hiding the implementation or non-essential details from the user and showing only essential details. Abstraction is mainly achieved by interface and abstract class in Java. So let's see how it is done. For example, in Java, we have something called as interface, which is like a class but still different from the class. Because in that interface, we do not provide the details of the code. We only provide the method declarations and not the method implementations. So suppose we have an interface like this. Let's say interface calculator. And this interface is for telling the user that calculator has following methods such as add, subtract, divide, multiplication, etc. In this particular interface, if you observe here, we are not going to tell the user how the addition or how the subtraction is performed. That is, the actual calculation is not going to be shown to user. User only knows that this calculator has functionality to add, which takes to input integers or double or whatever value it is and returns the addition. So user from the name and the parameters and the return type knows what this does. How it does not know by looking at the interface. So where do we write the actual logic? That is written inside a class which is going to implement this calculator. So this interface will tell the user what the calculator can do and how it can do will provide the implementation in this class in this way. So for add method, we have provided the implementation like this. And this implementation is hidden from the user. So remember, interface tells the user what a particular functionality can do, and class, which is hidden from the user, which hides the details from the user, is for how the calculations or the things are done. So in this way, we can hide the non-essential or the details or the implementation details from the user. If we talk about the real-time example of this, so let's say we have a phone on which we have applications that are used to send message or call a person, etc. You only know that you have to type a message and send it. How the message is sent to the particular user or what technology is involved into it, you really don't care about it, right? That is what abstraction is. The difficult part of implementation are hidden from the user and user only sees what he has to do. And that way it is easy for user to use a particular functionality. There are various terms involved with abstraction such as interface, abstract class, abstract methods, etc. and we'll see each in upcoming videos. But if you are asked in interview what is abstraction, do mention these examples so that you can explain this concept properly. In the next video, we'll see some more concepts, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and also like and share this video. Thank you.